Salamat DepEd sa iyo mga teachers sa iyo halawig ug bago pa kinag-anak nga pag-intindi paghatag pa extra effort pa sa namon mga kabataan.
Yung napag-aralan natin sa ating training is just 30% on the implementation of aral. 70% of which ay kung paano natin papasukin ang inner self ng mga bata. Kasi ang mental activity nila ay 30% lamang. 70% is behavioral. Yun po. So kanina sinabi ko, equity po ang ating ini-implement dito. Kasi sa equity, the hashtag is, no one shall be left behind. Wala pong iwanan. Kaya nandito tayo kasi gusto natin sama-sama nating makamtan ang ating layunin, ang common goal for us to produce functional literate learners.
As a public servant, I fully support this mission. I believe that every child deserves the opportunity to succeed, and we are ready to help provide the environment, resources, and encouragement they need. I would also like to commend our dedicated teachers and school head and education partners who are working tirelessly to implement this program.
So just like a seed, these children must grow into a full-blown tree or a plant. Para unina sa orhi, sira makapamunga, pag sira na kapamunga sa aton sosyedad, this shall become fragrance to the whole world.